Welcome back, continuing the news. Montego Bay has moved one step closer to becoming a smart city with the introduction of its first automated car park. Details in this report.
The municipal car park has been described as a milestone for Western Jamaica at a time when the West is on the road to recovery. The facility, located along Harbour Street in the second city, was officially commissioned on Thursday. The automated system is designed to modernize parking in the resort city, allowing motorists to collect a card on entry and pay electronically on exit based on the duration of their stay.
This automated car park is a small ladder in the greater vision that we have. We would ideally love to have this car park as a multi-story car park, but we are not there as yet. But this will also bring us to a stage where we can improve our revenues, bring about better order with traffic management across the city of Montego Bay.
Mayor of Montego Bay, Richard Vernon, says the development forms part of a broader vision to transform Montego Bay into a fully integrated smart city, leveraging technology to enhance efficiency and urban living.
We are going to update from this. This is just the launch. So we are going to put in license plate readers that would have read license plates for persons who are registered in the system. So if you are registered in the system, the license plate reader would read your number and allow entrance into the parking lot.
In reacting to the development, residents welcomed the move.
I will support this move. It's really nice in the middle of the town. We need more land space. There's a lot of land space that are wasting, so you use up some of them because really and truly there's no parking in the town.
So this will take off some pressure?
This will definitely take off some pressure off the motorists.
Harry and Simpson, TVJ News.